kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do division. Our objective of learning are to divide 2-digit, 3-digit and 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Warm up. Division means to divide or split a number. If we want to know how many are in group, we use division. It is also the repeated subtraction of the same number. Division is same as the repeated subtraction of same number. Let us divide 10 balloons equally between 2 children. So how many balloons each children will get? Let us start giving one balloon to each. So 10 minus 2, that is 8. So we'll keep subtracting till we get 0. Then 8 minus 2, 6, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 minus 2, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. So how many times we have subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 divided by 2, that is equals to 5. So each children will get 5 balloons. Total number of balloons 10, number of children 2, each children will get 5 balloons. So division sum क्या हो जाएगा? 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So we call 10 as a dividend, means जिस number को हम divide करें, that is dividend. By number which we are dividing, that is known as divisor. So 2 is divisor and the result 5, that is our quotient. Next term associated with the division. In the division fact, different numbers have different names. Observe the given example to understand this. So here 14 divided by 2, that is 7. So 14 are dividend, 2 is divisor and 7 is quotient. Clear? The number which is being divided, that is called dividend. The number by which we divide, that is called divisor, and the answer of division, that is called quotient. Next is exercise 7a. Make the equal group in each case and write the division fact. 1 has been done for you. So total number of objects are 6 and we have to make the equal group of 3. So we'll make 2. Like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to make the group of 2. So how many groups are there? 5. So 10 divided by 2, that is equals to 5. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is relation between multiplication and division. Let us have 4 bunches of 3 leaves each. So total number of leaves कितने हो जाएंगे? 4 into 3, that is 12. Now how many trees are there in 12? Clearly 4. 12 divided by 3, that is 4. Again divide the 12 leaves into 4 bunch. How many leaves are there in each bunch? Clearly 3. 12 divided by 4, 3. Thus the multiplication fact 4 into 3, 12 gives rise to division fact. 12 divided by 3, that is 4, and 12 divided by 4, that is 3. Clear? It is also clear that division is the inverse of multiplication. Clear? Next is exercise 7b. Write 2 division fact for each of the following multiplication fact. 8 to 3, that is 24. So division fact हो जाएंगे 24 divided by 8, that is 3, and next is 24 divided by 3, that gives you 8. These are the division fact. Clear? Next, properties of division. Property 1, when a non-zero number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Means किसी non-zero number को अगर 1 से divide करेंगे, quotient is the number itself. 2 divided by 1, that is equals to 2. Property 2, when a non-zero number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Means if we divide the number by same number, so the quotient is 1. 5 divided by 5, that gives you 1. Property 3, dividing any number by 0 has no meaning. किसी भी number को 0 से divide करना, that is no meaning. Let us try to divide 9 by 0 by use of repeated subtraction. So we'll get every time 9. So there is no meaning of that. Thus every time subtracting 0 we get 9. This process has no end. So we cannot divide any number by 0. Property 4, when 0 is divided by any non-zero number, the quotient is 0. 2 into 0, that is 0. Now 0 को 2 से divide करेंगे, we'll get 0. Clear? Next is exercise 7c. Fill in the blanks. 5 divided by 1. We know if we divide any number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. So answer is 5. Next is division using multiplication table, long division method. We'll take an example, divide 56 by 8 using multiplication table. So 56 को 8 से डिवाइड करना है, ब्रैकेट के अंदर हम डिविडेंड को लिखेंगे, बाहर डिवाइजर को. Now we'll call table of 8 till we reach 56. हम 8 की टेबल को उतने टाइम बोलेंगे जब तक कि 56 या the number which is just less than 56 आ जाए. So 8 7s are 56, so we write 7 here, subtract करेंगे we'll get 0. So here 8 is divisor, 56 are dividend, 7 is quotient and 0 is remainder. Clear? Next is exercise 7D. Find the quotient when 21 divided by 3. So 21 3 से divide करेंगे. Now we'll call 3 table till we get 21 or the number just less than 21 if 21 is not there in table of 3. 3 7s are 21. So we'll write 21 here, subtract करेंगे we'll get 0. So 7 is our quotient. Next, division without remainder by long division method. Divide 63 by 3. 63 को 3 से divide करना है. So always start the digit, अगर 2 digit number है या जो डिवाइजर से ज़्यादा डिजिट है, always start from the leftmost digit. Here it is 6. 6 is more than 3. So 3 की टेबल में 3 2s are 6. So write 2 here and 6 under 6 subtract करेंगे 0. Next, note down the next number, that is 3. 3 1s are 3. So 1 यहाँ पे लिख देंगे, subtract करेंगे 0. So 21 is our quotient and 0 is our remainder. Clear? So this way we will divide. Next is exercise 7E. Divide and find the quotient. 69 divided by 3. 69 divided by 3. So first digit is leftmost digit, that is 6. 3 2s are 6. Write 6 under 6. Subtract करेंगे 0. Next number note down करेंगे 9. 3 3s are 9. So quotient is 23. Next, division with regrouping. Now we have to divide 78 by 3. 78 को हमें 3 से divide करना है. The leftmost digit, that is 7. Now we know there is no number like 7 in 3's table. So we'll call the 3's table till we get a number which is just less than 7. So 3 2s are 6. We'll write 6 here, subtract करेंगे, we'll get 1. Now we cannot divide 1 by 3, so we'll note down next number, 8. Now we'll divide 18 by 3. 3 6 are 18. Subtract करेंगे 0. So 26 are quotient and 0 is our remainder. Clear? Next is exercise 7F. Divide and find the quotient. 51 divided by 3. So we have to divide 51 by 3. First we'll divide 5 by 3. So 3 1s are 3. Because 3 2s are क्या हो जाता है 6, which is more than 5. Subtract करेंगे we'll get 2. Now we note down next number, that is 21. 1 note down करेंगे 21 बन जाएगा. 3 7s are 21. Subtract करेंगे we'll get 0. So 17 is our quotient. Next, be smart. Here 690 को 3 से डिवाइड करना है. So 3 2 से 6, subtract किया 0. Next number note down किया 9. Now we have divided 9 by 3. 3 3s are 9. Subtract किया 0. Now we left the 0. But हमें 0 को भी डिवाइड करना है. As we know, हम अगर 0 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे we'll get 0 here. So this quotient is right, 230. This way is the correct way of division. Division with remainder. Divide 158 by 6 and check your result. 158 को हमें 6 से divide करना है. So first digit is 1. 1 cannot be divided by 6 because it is less than 6. So we'll take two numbers together, 15. Now we'll call 6 tables till we get 15 or the number just less than 15. So 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18 हो जाता है, which is more than 15. So we'll write 12 here, subtract करेंगे, we'll get 3. Now we cannot divide 3 by 6. Now we'll note down the next number, that is 8. 38. Now we'll divide 38 by 6. 6 6 are 36. Subtract करेंगे, we'll get 2. 2 is remainder here and 26 is our quotient. Clear? Next is division by 10. Example लेते हैं, find the quotient and remainder when 345 divided by 10. 345 को 10 से divide करना है. So the easiest way is what? Start from the right hand side because there is 1 0. So first digit right hand side से, that is our remainder and rest of the digit that is our quotient. Look at here. 34 को divide करेंगे 10 से. So 10 3s are 30. 30 subtract करेंगे 4. Next number note down करेंगे 45. 10 4s are 40. Subtract करेंगे 5. So 5 is our remainder. So 34 is our quotient. Clear? Next is fact. When a number is divided by 10, the quotient is obtained by removing the unit digit from the number. The digit at one's place is our remainder. Next is exercise 7G. Find the quotient and remainder. 615 divided by 9. So 61 लेते हैं. 9 6 are 54. Subtract करेंगे 11 and 5. 11 minus 4, that is 7. Now we'll note down next number. 9 8s are 72. 3. So 3 is our remainder and 68, that is our quotient. Clear? Next, word problems. We'll take an example here. An ice cream costs ₹6. How many ice cream can be bought for ₹90? So 90 rupees में हम कितनी ice cream खरीद सकते हैं? If one ice cream costs 6 rupees, so 90 divided by 6, that is equals to 15. So we can buy 15 ice cream in 19 rupees. Clear? Next is exercise 7H. A man distributes 35 chocolate among 5 children. How many chocolate does each child get? So equal sharing है, that means we'll divide 35 by 5. 5 7s are 35. So each children will get 7 chocolates. Next, mental exercise. How many times can you take away 3 from the largest 3-digit number? Largest 3-digit number, that is 999. So divide it by 3. 3 3s are 9. 0. Again 3 3s are 9. 0. 3 3s are 9. So we can take out 333 times. Clear? Next, HOTS. If 25 people contribute ₹3 each for the purchase of 5 articles each for the same price, what is the price of each article? 25 people contribute ₹3 each. हर एक 3 rupees contribute कर रहा है, मीन्स टोटल कितना कर रहा है? 75 rupees. 25 into 3 rupees 75. Each for the purchase of 5 articles each. हर एक 5 article खरीद रहा है सेम प्राइस पे. So what will be the price of each article? So 75 को हम डिवाइड कर देंगे 5 से. 5 1s are 5. सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 2. 5 5s are 25. So 15 articles हो जाएंगे. Clear? So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.